In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Mechanism Jetpack. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The jetpack is an item that allows the player to fly equipable in the chest plate slot. It uses hydrogen gas as fuel. It can store up to 24,000 MB of hydrogen. So after you craft the jetpack, like I said before, you will need to use hydrogen as fuel. It can be filled up wherever hydrogen gas is outputted into a slot. So I'm going to give you two examples. The first one is using this, an electrolytic separator. So you can place it on the left output slot, as you can see here, where hydrogen is outputted, after placing water in the machine's input slot. And it can also be placed in a gas tank's output slot. Once it is here, it is going to start charging and you will see the bar go up. You can also see it here being fueled up in a placed gas tank. So once you have the jetpack properly fueled, you can change the operation modes. So the operation modes are going to include three modes. You have regular, which is the default, hover, which is what you can see on this screenshot example here. And then you have the third mode, which is essentially disabled. So for the regular mode, you will be able to press space to increase your height. So once you have the jetpack fueled and equipped in the chest plate slot, press space and this will increase your height. You can release spacebar to fall. You will take fall damage unless you carefully lower yourself to the ground. So if you are falling fast, be sure to activate the jetpack just for a little bit so you don't fall from a super big distance. Now, if you change the hover mode, you will be able to enable constant flight without the need to level yourself like regular mode. So you press space to increase altitude and you press shift to decrease. So space goes up and pressing shift is going to decrease the altitude and you will always fly on the same level. But this is always going to constantly consume hydrogen. It is a reduced rate as compared to regular mode, but it is always going to be active. Another thing to note is that in order to change between these modes, regular and hover, you need to find the armor mode switch key. So what I recommend that you do is go into the control settings, access the keybinds, and see what key you have bound to armor mode switch. So if you go over to the controls menu, you can find the keybind that you are using, and you can bind it to something else if you prefer. And the last mode is disabled, where the jetpack will not function. I hope I was able to help you. Before I end this video, I want to highlight that when I was looking at the channel metrics, I noticed that 83% of you are not subscribed to our channel. If you subscribe, you can help us bring you the best solutions to your problems, so consider subscribing. I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.